Okay, so continuing the household items theme, just any common household item being used as a speaker, which I have done quite a few times in the past. We have some aluminum beverage cans, as you can see. Now, every time I have had one of these drinks that comes in one of these cans, I've had this idea, and only now have I actually done it, and believe it or not, it actually turned out to be a pretty good idea. So basically what I did was I took the entire top off the can with a can opener. The can opener sort of dug into the side of it a little bit, so I had to sort of put glue on it. I had a better time with that one, as you can see. Just glue the speaker in there, and I was careful to not have any holes in the glue, so the speaker would be completely sealed, which I succeeded at, and they actually sound really great. Really natural too, and they have a surprising amount of bass due to them being sealed. And you'll be surprised at how well these actually work. So let's hear them. Okay, so as you can see, they actually, did I tell you that that's with the flat EQ on my, receiver? Literally how they sound if you hook them up. These do indeed sound that good. The only thing that might make it have a little bit more bass on your guys' side is, the microphone on my phone. They sound well above their size, even in real life. Which is surprising, especially because of the crinkly beverage can. But I think since it's a circle, it sort of cancels out all the crinkle. You can see how top-heavy these are. They're not super sturdy, but when you use them on their sides, I found on a hard surface, when the bass hits, they actually move backwards, which is kind of funny. They actually move across a surface. That's what a speaker in an aluminum beverage can sounds like. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time.